Hi everyone, lesson 48 is here. Please answer my 30 questions and learn 30 new words. Body. Do you think taking care of your body is important? Fairy tale. What's your favorite fairy tale? Pedestrian. Walker. Do you think cities are safe for pedestrians? Represent, representative, rap. Have you ever been chosen as a class representative? Succeed. What does it mean to you to succeed in life? Success, successful. How would you define success? Teenager. What do you think is the best part of being a teenager? Undeserved. Do you believe in second chances for undeserved mistakes? Disappear. What would you do if all your problems could disappear? Example. For example, could you give an example of a time you were very happy? Fit. Do you try to fit exercise in your daily routine? Bright. How do you feel on a bright sunny day? Assure. Has anyone ever assured you that things would be okay? Chart. What type of charts do you often see in school or work? Ground floor. Do you prefer living on the ground floor or higher up? Defeat. Have you ever experienced a difficult defeat? Aid. Do you think international aid is important? Growth. What kind of personal growth have you experienced recently? Identity, ID. Have you ever lost your ID before? Petrol. Do you think the price of petrol is too high? Secretary. Have you ever met a secretary who made a big impression on you? Tablecloth. Do you use a tablecloth at home? Employment. How important is employment in your life? Mother-in-law. Do you get along well with your mother-in-law? Term. How many terms are in your school year? Occasion, occasionally. Do you celebrate any special occasions? Nobody. Have you ever felt like nobody understood you? Purse. Do you carry a purse with you? Rock. Have you ever climbed a rock or a mountain? Set, set, set. Setting. Do you prefer a relaxed or formal setting? That's all for today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.